Do you want to speak English more naturally while learning a healthy daily habit? In this video, you'll enjoy an easy and natural English conversation about waking up early, improve your speaking skills, learn useful vocabulary, and discover an inspiring moral at the end. Let's get started. Talking about waking up early.
Do you usually wake up early in the morning, before the sun rises?
Yes, I usually wake up at 5:30 every morning because I enjoy starting my day with peace and energy.
Was it difficult for you to develop the habit of waking up early?
Yes, it was difficult at first, but after a few weeks, my body became comfortable with the new routine.
What is the first thing you do after you wake up?
I drink a glass of water, open the window, and take a deep breath to enjoy the fresh morning air.
Why do you think waking up early is so important?
I think it gives me enough time to prepare for the day without feeling stressed or rushed.
Do you exercise before breakfast every morning?
Yes, I usually take a short walk and do some stretching because it helps me feel active and healthy.
How does waking up early affect your mood?
It makes me feel happier, calmer, and more focused throughout the day.
What do you usually eat for breakfast after your morning exercise?
I enjoy eating fresh fruit, eggs, and whole grain bread because they give me energy for the day.
Do you have enough time to read or study in the morning?
Yes, the quiet morning hours help me read books and learn new things without distractions.
Have you noticed any changes since you started waking up early?
Yes, I have become more organized, productive, and confident in completing my daily tasks.
What happens when you stay up late at night?
If I sleep late, I usually feel tired and find it difficult to wake up early the next morning.
Do you think getting enough sleep is also important?
Absolutely, because waking up early is only healthy when we also get enough rest at night.
What do your family members think about your morning routine?
They are proud of me because they can see that I have become more responsible and disciplined.
Do you ever watch the sunrise?
Yes, watching the sunrise reminds me that every new day brings fresh opportunities and hope.
What do you enjoy most about the early morning?
I enjoy the quiet environment, the cool weather, and the peaceful feeling before the day becomes busy.
Do your friends also wake up early?
Some of them do, but others prefer staying up late and sleeping longer in the morning.
Have you encouraged your friends to wake up early?
Yes, I have shared my experience because I believe this habit can improve both health and productivity.
What advice do you give to someone who wants to wake up earlier?
I suggest going to bed at the same time every night and avoiding phones before sleeping.
Is it easy to wake up without an alarm now?
Yes, after following my routine for several months, I often wake up naturally before my alarm rings.
How does waking up early help you at school or work?
It allows me to prepare carefully, arrive on time, and begin my work with a clear and focused mind.
Do you feel more confident when you start your day early?
Yes, finishing important tasks in the morning gives me confidence for the rest of the day.
What do you usually do before going to bed?
I read a book, avoid using my phone, and relax so that I can sleep peacefully.
Has this habit changed your lifestyle?
Yes, it has made my life healthier, more organized, and much less stressful than before.
What is the biggest benefit of waking up early?
The biggest benefit is having enough time to accomplish my goals without feeling rushed.
Do you think everyone should try waking up early?
Yes, I think everyone should try it because they may discover many positive changes in their daily lives.
What motivates you to continue this habit every day?
Remembering how happy, energetic, and productive I feel every morning keeps me motivated.
Do you think small habits can create big success?
Yes, I believe small daily habits often lead to great achievements over time.
Will you continue waking up early in the future?
Yes, I plan to keep this habit because it helps me become the best version of myself.
Thank you for sharing your experience with me today.
You're very welcome, and I hope my story encourages you to try waking up early.
I think I will start waking up earlier tomorrow.
That's wonderful, and I believe you will soon enjoy the many benefits of a peaceful morning routine.
I am excited to build this healthy habit and improve my daily life.